1965, when Ford built an engine designed not for speed but purely for work. This was the Ford 300, the straight, tough, and underestimated soldier from the truck division. Old mechanics smiling, heavy engine being lowered into truck. A long 3.98-inch stroke, a low-end torque monster. 7 main bearings, stability that kept engines alive for decades. No chains, no belts, just solid gears, near infinite life. But it had one flaw, a non-cross-flow log head. Intake and exhaust on the same side, a thermal nightmare. Above 40 RPM, the engine struggled to breathe. But then came Smokey Yunick, a B-29 pilot and mechanical genius. The late -60s fuel crisis changed the future of racing. Smokey saw the hidden potential in this truck motor. His vision was a 6-cylinder that could outpace V8s at Daytona. He reshaped the combustion chambers into hearts, for better swirl. 3 Holley carburetors, mounted on a custom manifold. The bundle of Snake's headers, optimized exhaust scavenging. On the dyno, 385 horsepower at 800 RPM. Outperforming even the era's boss 302 V8. Ford executives were not happy. Their brand message was simple: V8 equals performance. NASCAR introduced new displacement and weight penalties. The inline 6 also faced challenges with crank harmonics and top-end breathing. V8s were naturally more comfortable at high RPMs. Yet, it stayed in production for 30 years. From F-150 trucks to industrial machines. In the desert, it finally tasted real glory. The Baja 1000, the world's most brutal off-road race. Today, junkyard blocks are being pushed to 10 horsepower. The engine they once laughed at has now become legendary. Now, old Ford 300 blocks sit in junkyards, waiting to be reborn as new champions. Turbochargers, forged internals, and Smokey's instincts ignite once again in the 21st century. This truck motor has become a 10 horsepower beast, and once again people are stunned. Once laughed at, now a legend on the track and the streets. Decades-old durability and innovation, still proving that greatness is timeless. Smokey Yunick's vision and the Ford 300 legacy, a story that inspires every generation. God's anvil, the unkillable 6, forever immortal in the world of engines. Modern tuners have infused it with turbocharged magic, giving old reliability a new kind of power. 200 horsepower, once unimaginable for a truck motor. In the deserts of the Baja 1000, where reliability and endurance matter most, this engine shines. Scott Donahue's victories prove that power and durability can coexist. One engine leaving its mark on trucks, race cars, and modern builds alike. Forged crankshafts, strengthened pistons, heart-shaped chambers, a symbol of innovation and genius. Every spark and every roar, a modern echo of Smokey Yunick's thinking. Decades-old blocks, now the battlefield for new legends. These engines are more than metal, they are history, vision, and passion. Smokey's vision and the Ford 300's durability continue to inspire every generation. A story that lives in every engine's roar and will remain immortal in every future build. Flames from the exhaust, a legacy reborn with raw power and fury. In the desert, the Ford 300's reliability and endurance remain unbeatable. Legends like Scott Donahue, proving that durability wins every time. From trucks to racers, every block tells the story of strength and vision. Turbocharged heartbeats, every cylinder echoing decades of innovation. Once humble truck engines, now a battleground for modern builders. Smokey's vision, alive today in every modified block and every roar. Metal, fire, and precision, proving that greatness never fades. Across deserts, tracks, and streets, the legend keeps moving forward. Ford 300, from a humble truck engine to an immortal icon of power, durability, and innovation.